Hey guys, welcome to another quick phone video. So today I'm showing you how to screenshot the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. So this is the boost mode variant, but it does work with all the other ones. So let's say I want to I want to take a screenshot of my apps, So all you have to do is you click the volume down right here and the power button. You just hold them down and then boom, there you go, guys. Takes a picture of it. You heard it, so let's go ahead and see it. So from here, you just go into your gallery. As you can see, there it is, guys. So there's a screenshot right there. That's how easy it is. If you want to take a screenshot of anything, all you do is click the power button down and the volume down at the same time. Click them down together. So let me show you one more time. So let me get out of there. Let's say I want to take a screenshot of my home screen. And then boom, that's how easy it is, guys. That's how you take a screenshot of Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. Power button, volume down, hold them down at the same time. Boom, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.